What's up guys? Avery here with Quack Rack. Today we're going to walk through how to install a rear bumper on a Can-Am Defender HD11. Before we get started, I'm going to go over a few tools you're going to need to complete this install. You'll need a drill, preferably with a 9mm wrench end socket, an 11mm wrench end socket, a 13mm wrench end socket, and a 9/16 wrench end socket, as well as a Phillips head screwdriver. Now, the first step, once you have all of your hardware, tools, and parts assembled, is going to be to remove the heat shield and the rear camera from the back of your HD11. Once you have your camera and the heat shield removed, the next step is going to be to remove the brackets on the bottom of the bed. If you come in here, we'll show you what the brackets look like. Once you have the bed brackets removed, you'll now install Quack Rack's rear bumper brackets. If you'll come in here, we'll show you where the brackets go. These two holes are going to seat inside these two bolts. You'll need to make sure that your wire for the camera is out of the way when you put the rear bumper brackets on. Once you have your brackets on the machine and they're tightened back to the bed, you'll grab the bag that is labeled brackets with the 4 1/4-inch bolts, and you'll insert those through the side of our bracket, through the bed rail, and tighten down.